Hey everyone, in front of me we have Packtalk Edge, the all-new premium communication system from Cardo. Now before going any further, you always want to make sure your unit is running the latest software update. Doing so just keeps it clean of any bugs, but more importantly, make sure that you have access to the latest features and functionalities. Now with Packtalk Edge, there's no longer a need to tether the unit to a computer for the update, although you can still do that if you would like. But with this unit, it's all done over the air, and we do so using the Cardo Connect app. I'll show you that now. Start by downloading and opening the Cardo Connect app and just follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to register the device. You can then name your unit, select the language, and then you'll be prompted for a software update if one is available for you at that time. Let's do it. And that's it. Once the device reaches 100%, you'll see up top, done, the software has been updated, and it says you have successfully updated to version 2.0. The headset, the Packtalk Edge is back on in standby, and you are finished.